My name is Andre Simmons. Today is August 9th, 2023. It is 5:11 p.m. I'm making this video as evidence for the court that I repaired my brake light on the passenger side myself because I am unable to take it to a shop or a mechanic at this point because I don't have the funds. I'm hoping that this video will serve as evidence that I did make the repair to my brake light on the passenger side to alleviate the ticket that I got this morning for brake light out on the passenger side. Once again, today is August 23rd at 5:11 p.m. I will show the receipt where I purchased the bulb from AutoZone. If I could figure out how to turn the camera around. Okay, I can't figure it out, but here is the receipt. And here are the bulbs. I am about to place one of the bulbs in the brake light that is out on the passenger side here. Okay, and as you can see, all of my brake lights are working now. Even the high mount one. Once again, this is Andre Simmons making the repairs to my brake lights to hopefully satisfy this ticket that I received this morning on August 9th, 2023. Thank you.